Myself, Vibha. Today's my topic is smart trash bin using Arduino and solar trash bin. A smart trash bin, as its name only represents that it works smartly, or we can say that it is an automatic dustbin. Smart dustbin is automated dustbin intended to reduce human efforts and improve cleanliness. It is a decent gadget and make your home clean and attractive. Components required: Arduino Uno, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, dustbin or container, jumper wires. This is a prototype of solar plated dustbin and connection in smart dustbin. Solar power trash bin. These bins are designed to be more efficient, convenient, and environmentally friendly compared to traditional waste bins. Solar panels. Solar smart dustbins are equipped with solar panels mounted on top of the bin. These panels are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy using photovoltaic cells. This energy is stored in a rechargeable battery inside the bin. Solar smart dustbins are generally designed to be low maintenance. What will it do? The Smart Dustbin project consists of a sensor to detect human parts. The sensor will automatically generate a signal and it will open automatically. It opens automatically when it receives the signal and locks after a few seconds on its own. Where it will be used. The smart dustbin can be used in offices to store a vast amount of papers. It occupies less space so that it can be easily used in homes. It also plays an efficient role in public places. Thank you.